Hello Rodney, thanks for clicking on my video. Uh, got the hiccups. 13 a.m. I'm back from the hospital. I have an issue with urination right now. Uh, think it's gonna be okay. Okay. Hope and pray it's gonna be okay. Because the there's a lot of I think it's swelling. My right testicle is about the size of a tennis ball. Probably, that's big, but I had a spermatocele on the other side, which was a huge ball. This one is getting big, but it's really big now. So, I've got the hiccups. Now, I know that some of you are going to think that I'm such a great actor that I can fake having the hiccups. And that this is all going to be a phony baloney thing. Now, I don't want to drink a tremendous amount of water because I'm doing an experiment. Matter of fact, I'm gonna maybe not even do it because I don't want to fill up my bladder. But I want to get rid of the hiccups. So normally I would drink a whole glass of water. But I'm only going to drink less than a whole glass because I don't want to fill up my bladder. So I get a knife. Put the knife to the water. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my breath for as long as I can. And then I'm going to touch this knife blade to my cheek. And I'm going to drink the water. Now, I'm going to go into the bathroom here. See if there's any impact on that cold water hitting my bladder. Because I called a friend of mine who knows a bit about this whole kind of thing with medical stuff. I told her about this situation I'm having with the if you can hear that. It's a little dribbling good. Thank God, doing great. I haven't been able to get this much urine out of me since I came back from the hospital. And the, you know, the, what do you call it, medication, the anesthesia, I guess has an issue on it, and all that swelling and everything is all swollen up down there. And the lady friend told me, she said, well, that sounds like a what is it called? Inflammation. No, she used different words from inflammation. It wasn't inflammation, it was swelling or something. I don't know what it was. And so she said to get she was funny. She said, well, she said, get some, put an ice pack on it or some frozen peas or something. And I was standing by the refrigerator when she said it, and I looked in the refrigerator and there were frozen peas. And I said, I have frozen peas right here. And she says, frozen peas to help you pee. It's funny if I forget to laugh. So what I did was I got the frozen peas and I put the frozen peas underneath me and sat on them. Then I changed the position of the peas from this way to this way. And so this way was underneath me. She did 20 minutes, so I sat there for like 20 minutes with these frozen peas. And then I went to try to pee after that, and I got a little dribble. I wrote it down. I think I got a little bit of a dribble, which I thought that was good. So this has been the best urinary flow I've had since the operation. And the operation, so done with robotics. So thank God I'm okay. I made it through. I'm not, still have my band. I keep that on. I didn't want to go into the emergency room to get a catheter. I just didn't want that. So thank God it looks like it's going to be okay, because that thing that I did just now is the best so far. And I think it's a time frame. I think that when the swelling starts going down and the whole trauma of the experience is lessened by my body's going to start to do better. So I'm hoping and praying it's going to be okay, and I'll get back to, I don't have to go in and get some kind of weird catheter or something, because I just don't want to do that. And I didn't want to drink too much water with this, when I had the hiccups. But now you know how to take care of the hiccups if you get the hiccups. Hold your breath as long as you can. Put the metal knife in there. Let it touch your cheek. Hold your breath as long as you can, and then when you touch the cheek, drink the water as fast as you can. And then I think what I did was like take a quick breath and then hold your breath for as long as you can. And then when you stop breathing, stop breathing. When you do that, the hiccups are gone. And that has never failed. I don't know where I heard about that, but I tried it. You don't think that's going to work. I tried it. You see the results. Oh, and thank God I'm feeling better. Life is good. God is good. I'm happy. And I think this experience with turning 70 and going into the hospital and understanding that I'm not going to be here forever is a good experience for me to experience. So I've got to do something that's better. I have to do something that's better. I want to thank everybody who sent me some well wishes in my last video. And I want to thank everybody that has watched my videos over the years. And it's been an enjoyable experience for me. And I was thinking about Zen Archer for some reason. And he was the first person to ever subscribe to my channel. Now I remember I saw a video where I said something about, maybe it was an email I don't know what it was. I don't remember what it was. About being from Azerbaijan or something like that. I put it on a map or something, but I'm pretty sure my very first subscriber was Zen Archer. And he was an interesting person, and I liked him. And he's dead. And someday I'm going to be dead. If I live long enough. I'm Hella Rodney. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.